Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your interests in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This is the interface of Badoo once you have logged in. And right now, what you need to do is simply go to Profile. The buttons on the bottom right, simply click on it. Once you click on it, your profile page will open up. Right now, let's focus on the top right section. There are these two buttons, namely Settings and Edit Profile. Let's click on the Edit Profile button right now. Now this is your Edit Profile section. Simply scroll down till you see something like Interests. It's right below Profile Questions. And right here, these are my interests. Now what I want to do is simply edit them. Right next to Interest on the right, here is the Edit button. Simply click on it. And this will open up. Well, from here, right next to your interests, you will notice a cross icon. Simply click on it. In context, you want to delete your interest. I'm gonna delete a few right here. I'm just gonna click on cross, and there you go. Your interest has been changed. Now in context, you want to add other interests, where here's food, music, movies, fashion. The choice is up to you. Select whichever one you wish. You can search for your interest here as well. I'm simply gonna add a few interests related to movies. Right here next to your interest, you will find a plus icon. Simply click on it and it will be added to your interest. I'm simply gonna add another one. And guys, that's it. That's how you edit your interest in Badoo. Well, I'm gonna click on Show All. And there you go. These are my interests that I had just edited. Well guys, that's it. That's how you edit interest. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.